Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password using CMD, the command prompt. So first of all, open the command prompt and remember to right click and run as administrator. Now after the command prompt opens, the first command you have to type is netsh, netsh and press enter. Now the second command is wlan space show space profile and press enter. Now you will see all the Wi-Fi networks that your system previously has connected to. Now if I wanted to find the password for the Wi-Fi network, name this digitators, I will copy the name of that profile and then you have to type wlan space show space profile. Now in double quotation marks, paste the namespace key equal clear and press enter. Now it will show all the information about that Wi-Fi network. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to find Wi-Fi password using the command prompt. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.